Apple has officially announced its new operating system, iOS 26, and released the developer beta. This video breaks down everything you need to know: release date, compatible devices, top new features, how to install it, and how to downgrade back to iOS 18. Part 1: When will iOS 26 be officially released? Although the developer beta is already available, if you're not in a rush, it's better to wait for the official release coming this September for more stability. As noted earlier, iOS 26 supports a wide range of devices, but the new Apple Intelligence features will only be available on iPhone 15 Pro/15 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 series. Part 2: Highlights of iOS 26 beta features. 1. Liquid glass design. iOS 26 introduces a brand new interface system-wide, featuring semi-transparent, motion-responsive elements. It uses refraction and reflection effects to create a visually dynamic experience that adapts to your environment for a more intuitive and aesthetic UI. 2. Enhanced Apple Intelligence. Now you can get real-time voice and text translation during calls or messaging, all processed directly on the device. It also integrates with ChatGPT to understand what's on your screen and provide relevant, contextual information in real time. 3. Next-Gen Siri. Siri is now powered by a large language model, dramatically improving its ability to understand context and respond naturally. It can now handle complex requests and follow conversations across different topics more intelligently. Part 3: How to install or leave iOS 26 beta. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to install. It's strongly recommended to back up your data to iCloud or a computer beforehand. How to remove the beta/downgrade. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, Beta Updates, and select Off to stop receiving beta versions. Reverting to a previous stable version requires more steps. Refer to the links in the video description for detailed instructions. Part 4: Who should try iOS 26 beta now? Power users eager to try the latest features. iPhone 15 Pro or newer owners interested in AI tools. Developers and tech testers checking app compatibility. Professionals who rely heavily on their iPhone daily.